I started investing with Inflection Point Ventures in 2019, courtesy invite which came through my alumni group, which is IIM Kolkata, and this was sent by my senior colleague. Initially, I opted for a trial membership, and after 6 months, I converted into a full membership. During the course of the full membership, I listened to the pitches to more than 20 startups before finalizing on those startups which are in my domain or for which I believe I have an understanding. So the real investment in the startups started in 21 and then continued till 22. So in the last 3 years, I have invested in about 5 or 6 startups, which are very primarily in technology and niche areas, primarily healthcare, primarily prop tech. I find these startups as very curated, and they have given me an opportunity to understand different business models, meet some great founders, and also be part of the IPV mixers, which IPV has organized in Delhi NCR. So my journey therefore is now about 3.5-4 years old. I am extremely happy with my experience so far, and I have renewed my membership ever since 2022. This is my update on IPV. IPV stands out from others by a significant amount. It's an outlier because we have more than 300 venture capital platforms in the country. Nobody does due diligence like what IPV does. The amount of effort which goes in the due diligence for screening, for curating the startups before they are presented is significantly higher compared to any other VC platform. This is the single most highlight of IPV. I find the platforms which or the startups which IPV bring to their platform are having a market traction. They have a distinct business. They have a larger customer base, and the chances of success is significantly better. I find IPV's due diligence of the startups of being extremely good quality. I also like the way in which we can interact with the founders, how the IPV has incorporated iBot technology, wherein the updates or customer calls or meetings are updated using the app. The app is very friendly. You can retain your investments and the pitch documents for a long time. So these are the 3-4 ways in which IPV is significantly better and distinct from others. One is on the strength of its due diligence. Second is deployment of technology, especially the iBot app. And number 3 is the app, which has got the compressed pitches of the startups. And this gives you a good idea about historically how many startups have pitched, how many I have attended. So these are the 3 ways in which IPV is significantly better than others. Of course, the fact that the startups which come through IPV have also received some scale and some traction, this also helps in making the decision faster. It is also of a good help that IPV conducts mixers and investor meets very often across the country. I've been able to attend a few of them, and I find that having the opportunity to meet the founder or other co-investors is great in terms of taking the feedback as well as understanding what are the other investors thinking about and in which direction is the investment community investing. So these are some of the things which helps us apart from the community which IPV has set up. That also is a very good retention, and that's why I use IPV as the primary tool for investing in startups.